Hey guys, it's Angela from the Tech Teach Grow team with another tech tip for you. Hey, in this week's tech tip, I wanted to share with you a few things you might not know about Edpuzzle. Now that they have upgraded their YouTube server, we're no longer seeing the videos being blocked by Lightspeed. So we highly encourage you to try this tool with your class. So the first thing I want to share with you is multiple attempts. So once I find an assignment that I want to share with my class, I can click the Assign button, choose the class or classes that I want to assign it to, any start time or due dates that I want to give out, and right here in the attempts, instead of the students just having one try and the teacher having to go back and reset the assignment if a student wants to try again for whatever reason, I can now decide whether my students can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or unlimited tries on the assignment. And then I just click Assign. This creates the assignment for the students. I could have posted it in Google Classroom. I can still post it to Google Classroom here. Once I'm have an assignment assigned to my class, another great feature, if I want to teach this lesson whole class, is to go ahead and click live mode. What this does is this starts live mode. So me as the teacher will be able to present this video to the class, and on the students will be able to, the questions pop up on their screens. When I click start, it allows me to play the video. I can make it bigger if I need to for the students. So this is just a great way that you may be able to scaffold or teach your students to use the tool for the first time, add some engagement to any video you are showing in classroom, and be able to get student feedback and engagement going back and forth. When you exit the live mode, students will still have this to be able to finish on their own in their classroom or at a different time. So students that were absent that day can easily make up the assignment. I hope that this tech tip helps you decide to try Edpuzzle with your class. Thanks.